In this tutorial, we're going to take a look at using IPVM's cabling calculator. To add cables to figure out links required for network cabling for each one of your cameras, first thing that needs to be added is a network closet. This can be accessed in the More menu in the upper left-hand corner, as well as when you select a camera and go to the cabling panel, it's going to prompt you to first add a network closet. You can move and place the closet anywhere on the Google map for location, and then we have two methods to add cables to the project. You can highlight the camera and go to the cabling panel and select Connect to Network Closet 1, and it will automatically connect a direct line from the camera to the closet. And then there's a prompt that shows up that says you can drag and adjust the cable path as you need to. You can also select the network closet and hit draw cabling or click draw cabling to camera. This is going to switch the cursor into a drawing mode, and in which case the cable path can be clicked. It will automatically snap to the camera when you get within a certain radius of the camera. It'll automatically snap to it. Once all the devices have been cabled, on the closet view it will say all devices cabled. It will give you a total length, individual links for each camera, and we also include a value for service loop for each camera. The default is 20 feet, and that means there's an additional 20 feet of extra cable that is added in total for each end. So that would be a combined 10 feet on each end, or 15 feet and 5 feet, just a combination of 20 feet for every single cable that is calculated. This can also work using uploaded floor plans. So we'll switch over to a project with a floor plan, and we can zoom in and see our floor plan. Again, we will add in our network closet, place that into our closet here. And again, the process is going to be the same for adding in our cables. So we're going to draw cables to camera, just click, highlight, and snap to the camera. Or we can click on the camera, scroll to the cabling section, connect to network closet 1, and now adjust our cable based on the cable path that we're going to take to the closet, let's say down the center of this hallway. Exports have also been updated to include details of the cabling infrastructure. And looking at this PDF export, down at the bottom, the last page of your exports will be all of your network closets. So in this case, we have network closet 1. It's going to give us an overview of the closet and the connected cameras. And then on the right-hand side, it's going to list your total length and those camera links for all the cameras that are connected to that closet. That is a quick tutorial on the IPVM cabling calculator. Thanks for watching.